Hi there, this is Darci Frankel coming to you today from the Hanalei Day Spa and the Ayurveda Center of Hawaii here on Kauai. I'm making this short video to introduce something to you. As some of you may know, I have a lot of experience in the field of Ayurvedic medicine. And in Ayurvedic medicine, we use a synergy of lifestyle practices, body treatments, different herbal remedies topically on the skin, as well as internally to create different desired effects. So I see a lot of friends, family members, colleagues who have symptoms that the easiest way to boil it down are an expression of an excess of toxins in the body. We are exposed to a tremendous amount of toxins nowadays. There are all types of pesticides and chemicals in the water, and we shower in this and we're drinking it in some cities. I happen to be blessed with having spring water nearby here on Kauai, so thank heavens for that. But there's a lot of ways that we have this barrage of chemicals, and we don't even know it. We haven't even questioned this. And laundry detergent, for instance, I don't know if you know this, but there are many chemicals in fabric softener and in laundry detergent that disrupt our DNA. I don't know about you, but I don't want that on my skin. I really select any product that I put on my body and in my body very, very mindfully to exclude things like toxic chemicals, petrochemicals, pesticides, insecticides. There's just a myriad of ways that we consistently imbibe these chemicals. So coming back to my Ayurvedic experience, in Ayurvedic medicine, we use a blend of lifestyle practices and herbal remedies internally and externally to help the body to cleanse toxins. And I've been a cleansing specialist for many, many years now, and a lot of people are into a lot of cleanses. I'm not going to comment on those. You can ask me personally about those different cleanses, but the serious cleanse that I've created is a protocol where we begin with taking tea. This is one of my favorite companies. It's called Tulsi Cleanse. And so we drink this tea. Now, some people think, oh, a cleansed tea, am I going to have a lot of bowel movements? No, you don't have a lot of bowel movements. You might urinate a little extra, but it really pulls toxins out of the kidneys, out of the liver. It's excellent for this. What happens in the body is toxins start to build up, and if we don't eliminate them, they lodge into our tissues and create a foothold and go potentially to the area that we have a weakness. So seasonally in Ayurveda, when we practice Ayurvedic lifestyle practices, we cleanse the body. So I've created this serious cleanse protocol. There are 3 aspects to it: drinking the tea, doing some exfoliation, and putting the herbal mineral compound on the skin and allowing it to draw out toxins. There's about a half a dozen clays in this, and herbs and minerals, and this substance, it's called the Serious Cleanse Body Mask. When you add water, warm water, and or a little bit of apple cider vinegar, it activates the formula and gently pulls toxins out. So in the larger container, There are about 6 applications to the packet. I have a sample one with about 2 applications, and that's for anybody who feels like they really need a good, serious cleanse, because toxins are serious. So, click below. There's a link down there for more information, and you could also purchase the Serious Cleanse, and there'll be a picture of it as well. So thanks for tuning in. Please leave your responses. Love to hear how it goes for you. If you have any questions about it, leave your questions. Thank you, and ahui ho. Aloha.